Galapagos Islands. From open water and drift dives to night, cave and wreck adventures, every dive here is unforgettable. Your adventure into the Galapagos underwater world begins with safety. Our expert instructors guide you through every detail, from assembling your gear to understanding the unique challenges of these dynamic waters. This careful preparation is the foundation of every successful dive, ensuring you can focus on the incredible spectacle that awaits. In calm, sheltered bays, you'll master essential skills like buoyancy control, hovering effortlessly amidst volcanic seascapes. You'll learn to read the currents and communicate effectively, building the confidence needed to explore this unparalleled ecosystem.
And remember, check your air frequently and stay close to your buddy.
This comprehensive training culminates in a globally recognized certification. It's your key to unlocking the breathtaking biodiversity of the Galapagos, from vast schools of fish to majestic rays. Learning here is simple, seamless, and unforgettable. And here you'll witness rare encounters, from hammerheads to manta rays and even the gentle whale shark. The Galapagos Islands are more than a destination. They are a living laboratory of evolution where nature's grandest spectacles unfold. Beneath the waves, this story continues in a vibrant metropolis of marine life. Every dive is a journey into the unknown, a chance to witness encounters found nowhere else on Earth. You've seen the schooling hammerheads, the graceful sea turtles, and the kaleidoscope of reef fish that paint the volcanic rock. From gentle giants to playful sea lions, the underwater realm is a constant source of wonder. This isn't just diving, it's an immersion into the very heart of the wild. Are you ready to answer the call of the deep? Don't just visit the Galapagos, dive into it. Book your adventure today and become part of the story. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.